Hi everybody, it's Susan from Sunrise Quilt Studio, and today I have another 8-inch block for you. This one is called Double Quartet. It's made with half square triangles and squares, so it goes together really easily and it's really quick to put together. So I hope you'll stay with me and I'll show you how to make the Double Quartet block. Okay, first thing we're going to do is to make half square triangles with the B and the C squares, putting them right sides together and sewing a 1/4 inch away from the drawn line on both sides. Okay, and then I'm going to cut along the drawn line, and then I'm going to press and then trim these down to measure 2.5 inches. They're going to be just a little bit large, but I'm going to take care of that. So I will get these pressed and we'll be ready to build the block. Okay, so I've laid all my pieces out into rows. Watch your diagram really carefully so you make sure you have everything laying the right direction. These, especially these half square triangles, because it's real easy to get them turned the wrong way. But you'll notice none of the prints are next to each other, so you always have a print next to a white, and it makes a pinwheel type effect going around. So I'm going to sew all of these into rows, and then I'll sew all the rows together, and I'm going to be pressing my seams to one side. So like one row I'll have them pressed to the right, and next I'll have them pressed to the left, and so forth, and then all my seams will nest together. So I'm going to adjust the camera and get started sewing all of these pieces into rows. Okay, I'm going to start by sewing the first 2 pieces of each row together, and then I'll add subsequent pieces from that point. And these diagonal seams are going to make sure they're nested together. Okay, there is first 2 pieces of each row, and let's see if we can just add from here. going to cut these apart at this point because it's a little difficult to adjust things as I'm going to get seams lined up. So let's snip them apart. Okay, row 1 is the last piece. Okay, I'm going to press all the seams and then sew the rows together. And that's slit enough that I know it's off. I am pressing the seams for each row as I sew to make it a little bit easier. Okay, so here is the double quartet block. So it went together really fast. The only unit is half square triangles. You just need to make 8 of those, 4 of your background squares, and then 4 corner squares, and you have a completed block. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, that is it for the double quartet block. This one was really quick. Took longer, I think, to cut out the pieces than it did to sew it together. But the only trick with this is watching your points and making sure all your pieces are turned the right directions, those half square triangles. So follow your diagram and double check everything, and I think you'll be fine. So I hope you will give this block a try. Now, if you like this video, please click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and click that notification bell so you'll be notified when the next video comes up. And in the meantime, I hope you are all staying safe and healthy, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. For more quilting ideas, click on the video links. And to keep up with my latest projects, click on the subscribe button. I hope to see you again soon.